It rained heavily during the rainy season. Water started entering the anthill on a sand dune on the edge of the forest. The poor ants were scurrying around, trying to save themselves from this disaster. When the bee sitting on the tree above saw all this, she was very worried and quickly informed her relatives living on the dune. Hearing this, her queen ordered the ants of her colony to go immediately to inquire about the well-being of these suffering sisters, but make sure that no one goes empty-handed and take everything with them. When the ants came out of the burrow one by one, some of them had rice in their mouths, some had a piece of bread, and some had a piece of an insect's body in their teeth. The ants immediately reached this suffering colony with help and gathered these suffering ants, offered them food, and reassured them that you can all come and stay in our homes until the water runs out. All the ants helped them out of the water throughout the day, and in the evening they took them back to their colony. The flood continued for 2 days. A lot of water accumulated, but by the grace of Allah, the sun came out on the 3rd day, and the water dried up in the next 3 or 4 days. Then the affected ants asked for permission to go back. The queen ant herself went and saw that the colony affected by the flood had also dried up, so she sent all the ants away in such a way that everyone had food and drink for the next several days. Oh my! This act is very small in appearance, but such a hardship becomes a great mercy for friends in distress. In other words, you can call it a straw for the drowning.